Dun dun dun. This is going to be extreme. Hi 14. We're rolling. This isn't gonna be lucky. Double lucky. Yee. We're rolling. Right. Hello. Today we're going to show you how to divide fractions. So, to divide fractions, you need a fraction. Let's say you have something out of 14 and you have 8. Can you divide it by? Let's try. Since 8 is 2, it is even, and 14 is even. Let's divide them both by 2. All right, 8 divided by 2 is 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Hang on. We just did simplest form. Simplest form is when you divide into something that can't be divided, like this, because you can't divide 7 into any number, into a whole number. So this is the simplest form of 8 over 14. This is division. Let's try another one. Let's say you have something over 7 and you actually divided it by 7. What number would be on the top? Let's say you have 14 over 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. And by the way, this is a whole number because this equals to 2. This equals to the number 2. So this is an improper fraction because this is bigger. Now 14 divided by 7 is 2, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. This is also equivalent to 2. So this is also an equivalent fraction because 2 equals 2. So now let's see if you guys can get this. How about we do 1 over 3 divided by 1. What would you get? If you said the same number, you're correct. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 3 divided by 1 is 3. It's the same number. You can't divide it by anything else because of the 3. Since this is already in simplest form, the 3 cannot be divided by any number except 3 and 1. And if we divide it by 3, then we'll have to divide this into 3. But 1 can't be divided into a whole number. And when you divide, you make things smaller. And there is nothing smaller than a 0, which we barely use in fractions. So we have the same number, 1 over 3. Let's do a practice round. So let's see, we have 4 over 8, and we need to divide it into half. What number should we divide it into? Correct. You should divide it into 4 because 8 divided by 4 is 2 and 4 divided by 4 is 1. And since this is already in simplest form, we cannot divide it into any number. Besides, there's a 1 on top. Is there any bigger number than 1 you can divide into by 1? But what about 2? Huh? Yeah, 2. 2 divided by 1 is 2, right? That's right, 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. Although, you still get the same number. See? Oh, So there is no number you can divide by 1 to get a different answer. See, it's still the same answer, 2. Oh, okay. So that's all for how to divide fractions. We'll see you next time in simplest form.